Ever written the same function called twice just for an if check? Here's a classic Python pattern you've probably seen. You call a function, check if the result is truthy, then inside the if block you need to use that result, so you call the same function again. Or you assign it before the condition, cluttering your scope with a name you only need inside the block. Either way, something's not right. Python 3.8 introduced the Walrus operator, :equals, which solves both problems simultaneously. It combines assignment and expression evaluation into a single step. The expression still returns its value, so the conditional check works normally, but it also binds the result to a name right then and there. One evaluation, one binding, no redundancy. The variable is scoped to the enclosing block, not leaked into the outer scope. The syntax is simple, name : equals expression. Use it in an if statement. If meters : equals re.match of pattern and text, then use meters inside the block. Or in a while loop, while chunk : equals file.read of 8192, which reads chunks without ever calling read twice. You often need parentheses to clarify precedence. These two patterns cover the vast majority of real-world Walrus operator usage. The Walrus operator eliminates redundant computation and scope pollution by assigning and testing in one expression. Like and subscribe for more Python interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.